Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is a reminder of the intermediate class we taught on the 8th of February 2022. We did a first move basic, a swoopy swing round, a half Carlsberg and a shoulder drop man wrap. If you need a separate teach of each of those moves, look in the description below, but just a quick run through of how it was all joined together. Goes like this, goes 7 and 8. First move basic, in, twist, we went forwards, back, twist, forwards, back, twist, finish with a turn and a return to go into the swoopy swing round, where we went link, offer, spin, catching the right for the half Carlsberg. We came in, round, offer the hand for the shoulder drop man wrap, where we went round, bomb, 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 wrap. You could do that fast or slow, and then it was just bounce out and finish it off. Hope you enjoyed that, found that useful. As I said before, if you need more, look at the teachers in the description below. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and we'll see you next time.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.